Welcome to Hey Jag Parcel. I'm Mohammed Kada, CEO and founder of Hey Jag. With Hey Jag Parcel, you'll help businesses and individuals by delivering packages quickly and securely, whether it's documents, gifts, or essential goods. You're in control. Work on your schedule, choose your deliveries, and keep more of what you earn with our fair commission structure. Ready to start? Next, we'll guide you through the approval process so you can begin accepting delivery requests and earning right away. Stay tuned, and let's get delivering with Hey Jag Parcel. How to sign up on the Hey Jag Driver app. Download the app, visit the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Search for Hey Jag Driver and download the app. Step 2. Open the app. Launch the app, and you'll see the welcome screen. Welcome to Hey Jag Driver. Make extra cash by delivering orders to our customers. Step 3. Log in or sign up. If you're new to Hey Jag Driver, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Already have an account? Tap Log In and enter your details to start. Step 4. Create your account. After tapping Sign Up, you'll be directed to the Create New Account screen. Upload picture and vehicle picture. Tap the profile icon to upload your picture. Tap the vehicle icon to upload a picture of your vehicle. Choose your service. Select the type of service you want to provide. Delivery service, deliver goods or food orders. Cab service, offer rides to customers. Parcel service, transport packages or parcels. Rental service, provide rental options for vehicles. Parcel service. Step 5. Fill in your details. After selecting parcel service as your service type, complete the registration form with the following details. First name and last name. Car model. Specify the model of the vehicle you'll use for parcel delivery. Car plate. Enter your vehicle's license plate number. Phone number. Provide a valid phone number for communication. Email address. Enter your email address for account setup and notifications. Password and confirm. Password. Create and confirm a secure password for your account. Step 6. Upload proofs. To complete your registration, upload the required documents, pick up car proof, upload a photo of your car insurance to verify your vehicle for parcel delivery services. Pickup driver. Proof. Upload a photo of your driver's license to confirm your eligibility. Step 7. Parcel service. Submit your application. Tap the Sign Up button to submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email or SMS once your account has been verified. Step 8. After getting approved. Once your account is approved, you can start delivering parcels with the following steps. Go online. Toggle the switch in your profile to mark yourself as available for parcel delivery. Access parcel orders. Manage and track parcel delivery requests in the parcel orders section. Manage earnings. Check your daily, monthly, and yearly earnings under the wallet section. Set up withdrawal methods. Configure payment methods such as bank transfer, PayPal, or credit card under withdraw method. View terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with policies under terms and condition and privacy policy. Inbox for communication. Use the inbox feature for messages or updates related to parcel deliveries. Congratulations! Your Hey Jag Parcel account has been successfully created and verified. What's next? Start accepting deliveries. Stay online to receive parcel requests. Manage your wallet. Track your earnings and withdrawals easily. Check your profile. Ensure your details are up to date. Stay active. The more deliveries you complete, the more you earn. Thank you for joining Hey Jag Parcel. We're excited to have you on board. Let's get delivering.